I'm on my way to Nick's house now. Shout out to Channel 168 for donating $25 to the channel. Really appreciate it, brother man. And also, shout out to Martin Ripley for donating $20 to the channel. Thanks a lot for all your support. Keeps the videos coming almost every day. This is Nick's new daily driver. He sold his beige Craftsman. Picked this up. Has a brand new engine in it. So as you saw, I'm over here at Nick's house. Nick's been what's up? Nick hurt his leg, so he's been out for a couple of weeks just screwing around. He's no, I didn't. He sold out of all his lawn mowers. He doesn't have any more. He is cleared.
I got one more with no deck in the back, that's it.
And so so this is it. This is what he's giving me. He sent me a couple of pictures of it and it looked really good, and I said, you're throwing that out? Why don't you just put an engine on it and sell it that way? And so he told me that it has drive belt problems, and when you put it in gear forward or backwards, it'll kind of have play, and
I'll say it'll buck.
It'll buck.
Yeah, like.
So it'll go a little bit and then it'll just burn like that, you know. So, and this has the variable drive transmission. And then when I took a good look at this, believe it or not, this is an MTD, you know. I didn't know that MTD made stuff for Toro. Just looking at the deck and stuff, and with the variable drive, you know, it just appears to be an MTD, you know.
There's a battery in there too, surprise.
Wow, you're giving me a battery?
It's totally stone dead.
You've never given, well, you used to give me a battery. You see this?
It's an MTD sticker, baby.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. When it starts with a 13A, yeah. This is an MTD. So Toro doesn't make any more lawn tractors anymore. You know, I can't tell.
2006.
Oh, there you go. DOM. Date of manufacture, 2006. That's not bad. I like Toros, you know what I mean? The guy that Nick got this from, he wanted 150 bucks. Engine work, right?
What?
Holy cow. What a nut.
To the moon, baby.
That's cool.
Cool, right? I saw it on Facebook for 10 bucks. I said, I have to buy it.
I saw it on Facebook too, but I thought you'd do it
for using the grinder and shit.
Yeah, that would be good. It's a good safety glasses. I should bring those to the gun range.
I gotta try Weldon and Crocs though. I haven't tried that.
Yeah, Weldon Crocs. You'll get some nice scabs on your feet. Has a half a tank of gas, lots of gas on a big gas tank too. He had a Kohler Courage in this before, and it runs, right?
Yeah, it runs perfect, right?
So you got this tractor. I mean, it was listed for 150. The guy was rich. Nick lowballed him to 75. He got it. He took the engine out to use it for something else. Given me the carcass. It has like new belts on it. Look at the size of that belt, man.
5/8.
5/8, yeah. Brand new too. So I'm thinking, or we're thinking, that the guy probably changed the belts, but the belts were too long, you know? With variable drive, that variable pulley moves up and down.
Short one on the top.
Yeah, maybe he swapped it or something. But, I mean, it'll take a little bit to kind of figure it out, but all I got to do is drop the deck, take the deck off, flip this to the side. I'll sit there and study it for like an hour, you know? And, hopefully get this going. And since this used to have a Kohler Courage on it, I have a Kohler Courage. The only problem is the Kohler Courage needs 2 camshafts with a ACR compression release placed into it, which I have, thanks to Nick. He gave me parts for it. So I'd have to take apart an engine and put it together to put that on here after I figure out the drive. But either way though, A, I like Toros. B, this is in, you know, this is a lot better shape than what I usually get from Nick, you know what I mean? But I thank Nick very much for hooking me up again, and we'll be taking this one home. So here we are. He's given me a box of old carburetors. I've got like 2 drawers of his carburetors that he's giving. I'll never run out of carburetors, you know? But he's very generous, but he buys all brand new carburetors. He's got like 35 in stock.
17 bucks, man.
That's high though. 17?
Fucking terrible.
As long as it saves you time.
get that engine for free and fucking $200.
You're stealing from people.
I'm borrowing with no intent to return. Hold on, your ramp is fucked, man. Gotta go forward. Give a little winch. That's a more better.
Gracias.
Straighten her up. Yeah, no. You gotta bump it over a little bit.
Wow, that is wide, huh?
Oh shit, you might have to pop the doors open.
Oh no! Is that a 46?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh.
Yeah, it's an Lx460.
Hey, you know I can't keep a 46!
Why not? Just don't fit in the
Don't
backyard.
fit in my backyard!
Ain't that a bitch? That's why I got a 5-foot gate, bro.
Well, why?
That's why I got the 5-foot gate, so I could truck some monsters back there.
Well, I go skeet shooting. My friend wants to take me skeet shooting, but I'm afraid that I'll shotgun somebody. Like I'll Dick Cheney somebody. Good?
Oh, you're in the van. Yeah, I don't know if you're gonna hit the wood though. Okay, go slow. Yes. Like a glove?
Awesome!
Like a glove? He was put in over there. I just did this to get to it.
So here's the progress on his pool. He's got the deck built, at least a quarter of the deck, right?
No, it's done for now.
But didn't you say you wanted to do the whole?
I don't want to spend $8 million on lumber.
Look at that! Look at the pavers too.
$500 the pavers. The guy had extra on the job.
That's cheap.
My buddy.
$500
yeah,
for
extra.
pavers,
He used
even
the
for this
polymer,
section. Nice, man. So you have a gold deck. Wood. It's gold.
That's gold, Jerry. Gold!
This is his only other tractor left.
Somebody beefed up the frame. This is the one that had the snowblower on it.
All right, that's my brief visit with Nick from Bellport. This might be the best condition tractor he's ever given me, so I had to say yes, even though it is a MTD. Nevertheless, we'll bring it home. Okay, I'm home now. I'm gonna try to pump up the front tires a little bit so that the front end is higher, so that the deck won't scrape against the ramps, and then I'll have trouble getting it out, and be easier to roll to my garage anyway. I didn't want to drag this across my lawn and ruin my nice lawn. I never have a nice lawn, so I don't want to ruin it. So I have to change the wheel on the street. Got these 2 tires from my shed, and looks like they fit, or maybe they don't. Okay, I had to clear out my garage a little bit so I could fit a 46-inch deck. Managed to squeeze in this Toro. I put some wheels on there, but for some reason I think these wheels are too small, because when I put them on, the back part grinds against the wheel, touches. Then I have to either cut that part off with a grinder or get bigger wheels. I think I'm just going to cut it with the grinder. It touches the tire. I think the wheels might be bigger stock on this. Hey guys, Boba and I want to thank you for all the support of Mowers and Blowers. If you'd like, make a short video clip like these, and I'll put it as an outro in my future videos.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, I'm Henry from Mowers and Blowers! As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. Before you store your machines, a little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video, and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as, if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.